Hi everyone, welcome back to the Learner Spot. Today I'm going to talk about more idioms which, when used correctly, show creativity. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's start the activity. So that is our first one today. Let me take you through a few more examples. Now, I have an idiom, cost an arm and leg. This refers to something that is very expensive. By way of illustration, we can say flaunting branded bags is the in thing nowadays, but they cost an arm and leg. Now that we have started with arms and legs, let us go on to the other idioms involving body parts. For instance, an iron hand. Our principal has to run the school with an iron hand to maintain discipline. Likewise, apple of the eye. Here, apple of the eye means teacher's pet or favorite. The student was very well behaved and respectful to his teacher. He was the apple of her eye. My cousin kept her fingers crossed when she was waiting for her results. The idiom cross your fingers is to hope something good will happen. Now, I hope you are all ears right now. I'm just asking that. I hope you're listening attentively to what I'm saying. We have many idioms using eyes, all of which have totally different meanings. If I say, she rolled her eyes, I mean she showed disbelief or little interest. On the other hand, the idiom see eye to eye means to agree. For example, they both finally saw eye to eye and the deal was finalized. Another one, a sight for sore eyes. This refers to someone you're pleased to see. Seeing a happy face in these troubled times is a sight for sore eyes. Moving on, we can say he has a nose for repairing things. We mean he has a natural ability to do something. But on the other hand, if I say he has a habit of sticking his nose into everything, I would be saying he interferes into things that are not his affair at all. Nobody could find a solution, but he hit the nail on the head. Don't worry, I'm not saying that he hurt himself. I mean that he described exactly what was causing the problem. Many times, all of you have read or heard of phrases which literally didn't mean as they sounded, but implied something totally different. For instance, if I wear my heart on my sleeve, I am making my feelings and emotions obvious rather than hiding them. On the other hand, let's say heart and mouth. It means feeling very nervous or scared. This must be a common feeling for many people, like on their first day in college or on a new job. Does anyone know of another idiom which means to be nervous? Well, I do. I had butterflies in my stomach when I made my first video. Now, before taking leave this time, let me give you an interesting task. Put on your thinking caps and give me idioms that mean extremely happy. Let me give you one to start you off in seventh heaven. Now, please write any idioms you can think of in the comments below. I'm looking forward to your responses. Any feedback is welcome. So, bye until next time. See you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.